Beatbox by Pyrosity.
Rain Lord Dakoot, I don't even fucking know. Doesn't even really matter when I'm mad to steal the show. Before the battle started, Red said that you weren't worth my time. And looking at you now, I can kinda see why. Sit down and watch, you might see that I'm the new guy. In town you're losing to a rookie, reputation is below the ground. The potential to run, thought you lost top of your fan base. Now I'm making my way past you on the way to first place. There's a fire in my heart to keep the rain at bay, and that inferno's growing day by day. Now there's a message that I'd like to convey. The dethronement of the Rain Lord is underway. Listen up, cause there's even more facts I'd like to introduce. When you trace you using laziness for an excuse, and when you want attention, I know that you're pretty uptight. Girls, you went through RGB at the speed of light. Hear me now, my voice thundering throughout the ground. This kid found out cause he fucked around. Now before I go, I wanna send the record straight. It took you 12 hours to see your own fate.
Yeah, you've lost this one, mate.
There's a fire in my heart to keep the rain at bay, and that inferno's growing day by day. Now there's a message that